For our weenie dog, we'll be using a single 260. I have it inflated, leaving about a 3.5 inch tail on the end. And the proportions can vary on this depending on how long you want its nose or head to be. So start with however long you want the nose to be. We're going to do about a 2-inch bubble. And then we're going to make a lock twist for his ears. So you make about 1.5 inch bubble, followed by another 1.5 inch bubble. And then just lock those together, like that. Now we'll make his neck. About 1 inch, 1.25 inch bubble there. Then we'll do another lock twist for his front legs, or however long you want his legs to be. Let's do about a 2-inch bubble, followed by another 2-inch bubble. And then lock those together so that you now have the front legs and the ears. Now we're going to go back to the back of the dog and make his back legs, and again, however long you want his body to be. Make a long bubble for the body. And then you want his back legs to be about the same as the front legs. So again, about a 2-inch bubble or so. Another 2-inch bubble. And then lock those together. And you've got a very basic weenie dog.